Gardening is a joy, but it merits its own sweet time. Moreover, gardening is quite a rewarding journey that bears fruit, quite literally, as you put in time and effort. However, if you want to brighten up your garden in no time, then the fastest growing plants are for you. These plants grow with ease and bring a fresh change of positivity into your space. How to grow plants faster. Are you, too, an eager gardener who lacks the gift of patience? Well, let me share some proven tips and tricks that will help your plants grow in no time. Master the light game. Sunlight is your plant's best friend. Position your fast-growing varieties where they will get bright, indirect light. This natural energy source powers their growth, thus speeding up your gardening game. Water wisely, not daily. Forget daily sprinkles. Deep, thorough watering sessions when the topsoil feels dry encourage roots to grow deeper and stronger. Think quality over quantity with your watering routine to develop robust root systems. Supercharge your soil. Think of soil as your plant's foundation for success. Rich, nutrient-packed earth with plenty of organic matter gives them everything they need for a growth spurt. Mix in quality compost to create the perfect growing environment. Prune like a pro. Regular trimming isn't just about looks. It's a powerful signal that stimulates new growth. Cut just above leaf nodes to encourage new shoots and always remove dead or yellowing parts to redirect energy to healthy growth. Space for success. Top 10 fastest growing plants. 1. Bamboo. Philostachys. Bamboo has earned its reputation as the speed champion of the plant world, shooting up to 3 feet in a single day under optimal conditions. While most gardeners know bamboo grows fast, here's what they don't tell you. Opt for clumping varieties like Bambusa multiplex to avoid garden takeover. For best results, plant in spring and create root barriers. 2. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. These prolific growers can extend their leaves 4 to 6 inches each week, making them perfect for filling empty spaces quickly. Place spider plant in east-facing windows for optimal growth. The secret to rapid growth? Let the soil dry between waterings. Contrary to common advice, slightly dry conditions trigger faster baby plant production. 3. Pothos or money plant, Apiprum nemoreum. A pothos plant can stretch an impressive 12 to 18 inches in just 1 month. Prune just above leaf nodes in spring to encourage branching. For the fastest growth, try growing in LECA, lightweight expanded clay aggregate, a technique that can boost growth rates by 40% compared to traditional soil growing. 4. Red oak, Quercus rubra. These magnificent trees can grow 24 to 36 inches annually, making them among the fastest growing shade trees available. 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera produces new pups every 4 to 6 weeks when grown in optimal conditions. Plant in terracotta pots with 50% succulent mix and 50% perlite for best results. 6. Heartleaf philodendron. Your very own philodendron can extend its vines 4 to 12 inches every month with proper care. Train young plants up a moss pole. Contact with the pole triggers faster growth hormones. Mist the pole weekly for optimal results. Salvia, sage. Sage is an aromatic herb that doubles in size every 14 to 21 days during peak growing season. Companion herbs like rosemary naturally boost growth rates through beneficial chemical interactions in the soil. You can start harvesting fresh basil leaves just 3 to 4 weeks after planting. Start seeds in vermiculite, then transplant to nutrient-rich soil when first true leaves appear. This 2-step process accelerates growth by up to 2 weeks. 10. Jade plant, Crassula ovata. While slower than some others on this list, jade plants can add 2 to 3 inches of growth per growing season. Feed with a high phosphorus fertilizer. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe us.